Today I'm going to share my cannoli cream secrets with you. So let me tell you what you need to make cannoli cream. The secret ingredient to the cannoli cream is the cheese, ricotta cheese. Yeah, cannolis are filled with cheese. And it's very simple ingredients. We have ricotta, sugar, vanilla, chocolate chips, and another secret ingredient is cinnamon oil. That stuff's potent. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our ricotta into our mixer and I'm gonna let it mix up a little bit. Once I feel like the ricotta is combined, I'm gonna start adding our sugar in. A simple way to figure it out is do 3 parts cheese, 1 part sugar. You want the star of the show to be the fresh ricotta. So now I'm gonna add to this some vanilla and very carefully just a drop of the cinnamon oil. You might have to go to a pharmacy to get it. And it'll come in a little bottle with a dropper. Use the dropper because a little goes a very, very long way. And another thing that Mauro learned the hard way is that if you ever get the cinnamon oil on your hands and you touch your eyes, you could really, he looked like Rocky after the fight. It was kind of funny, but we don't want to see that at home. So use cinnamon oil, wear gloves, wash your hands, be very careful with it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna whip this up a little bit, just to make it a little bit creamy and beautiful. That's a beautiful. That looks good. We're gonna add our chocolate chips. I use actually a cocoa drop because I think that a semi-sweet chocolate gives it a little bit of a bitter taste at the end. So I kind of like the sweeter finish. So now we got our cream all done. So look at the texture of that. I mean, do you see how beautiful that is? It's nice and soft because if it's too pasty, it doesn't taste right. It's got to be the perfect consistency, just like this. So I'm gonna put my cannoli cream into a pastry bag, all right? And again, you can use a Ziploc bag. You could use a spoon like my grandmother used to in Sicily. We take our cannoli shell. Now making the shell is a little bit harder. You can buy them if you want. If you want to make it and be brave, I'll show you another video. But I always tell my bakers, don't be cheap with the cannoli cream. And if the cream has the right body, it's gonna hold up. Well, I got a good fact for you. All the Carlo's bakeries, we probably sell 2 million cannolis a year. It's actually our best-selling product on the menu. People who come in, the cannolis first, the lobster tails second. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of, and it's up to you, this is a little bit of pistachio, if you wanna put a couple chocolate chips, and then lastly, some nice powdered sugar. That's the way a cannoli should be. If you like this recipe, try it at home, or come into the bakery and try one of mine. Like our channel and subscribe to it. In your comment section, let us know what you want to see next. And holy cannoli, baby. Whoa, whoa, there you go.